Human activities is being a threat for the environment. From pollution to overpopulation, the Earth's temperature is increasing, which is bringing changes around us. And all of these is mainly caused by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. These gases allow sunlight to enter the atmosphere but prevent them from going out. When greenhouse gases increases in the atmosphere, more heat is trapped, thus increasing the Earth's temperature. Millions of people are already having the catastrophic effect of climate change. More intense and frequent drought, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting of glaciers, and warming oceans directly affect human beings and our ecosystem. But together, we can heal our planet Earth. Little things makes big difference. We can start by reduce, reuse, and recycle what we buy and what we throw away. You can help to reduce pollution by placing your waste in the right recycle bin. You can use reusable shopping bag instead of buying plastic bag. Start using long-lasting light bulbs such as light-emitting diode. They are super energy efficient and reduce greenhouse gas emission. We also can start planting trees. It is really beneficial for us and for our environment. They clean the air, save energy, help to combat climate change, and promote biodiversity. We can educate others to know the importance and value of our natural resources. Together we can change the world by these simple actions.